Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome to Sarah's Love Kitchen, the home of love and good food. Today I'll be showing you one of the many tasty ways I prepare chicken, which I'll be serving with chips or french fries. I should mention I've already sliced my onion, cut my potatoes into fries, and boiled my chicken. Start by heating oil and once hot add the onion slices. I'm using about a tablespoon of vegetable oil, which will be enough for 500 grams of chicken. I used one large yellow onion, but you can substitute it with a red one. As your onions cook, season them with oregano and thyme. As my onions are cooking, my deep frying oil is getting hot. I filled my pan about 1/3 to halfway full. One of the ways you can check whether your oil is hot enough is by placing the handle of a wooden spoon in the oil. If you see bubbles forming around the handle, your oil is ready. Carefully and gradually add your chips into the hot oil such that they are completely covered. Remember to stir your onions occasionally, you don't want them sticking to the pot. I'm now going to add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a tablespoon of ketchup to my onions. Once you add the condiments, give your onions a good stir to properly coat them with the sauce. After a minute or so, season your sauce with salt, ground coriander, chicken masala, onion powder, and garlic powder. You don't have to use the exact spices I'm using, feel free to use your favorite ones. Once you're done, start to combine and let cook. After a minute or so, add half a cup of chicken broth or water. If you're wondering why my chicken broth looks like jello, it's because it contains a lot of gelatin from the chicken bones, but as it heats up, it will liquefy, as you can see here. Homemade broth is thicker and richer than store-bought broth, so I'd recommend the former. Cover your pot and let the broth simmer. The last thing we're going to add into this sauce, other than the chicken of course, is a few squeezes of tomato paste for some added color and flavor. Give it a good stir, then cover and keep cooking.
A few moments later.
The first batch of rice is now ready. It took about 7 minutes to get them this golden and crispy. I'm now going to go ahead and deep fry the second and final batch. The sauce is now sufficiently cooked, so I'll add the pre-boiled chicken. It took about 10 minutes on medium heat for the sauce to be ready. Keep stirring your chicken until it is evenly coated with the sauce, then simmer over low heat with the lid covered. The second batch of rice is done. I don't know whether it's just me, but the second batch always cooks faster than the first one, no? So just keep an extra eye on that second batch to ensure the fries don't burn. Would you look at that? This mouth-watering chicken is ready and just on time. It's savory with a hint of sweetness, making the perfect pairing to your French fries or any kind of potato side dish. Thank you so much for watching and consider subscribing to Seria's Love Kitchen for more tasty recipes. Bye!